It is 2 weeks after I have repaired the exhaust. I traveled around 300 miles and there hasn't been any issues. And that is how I think every DIY video should start. So you know whether it is worthwhile watching it or not. Now, let me get you through what exactly I did and how I repaired the exhaust and why I decided to repair it myself. Okay? It is time to fix my girlfriend's car exhaust as it makes so much noise. It's just unbearable to drive, especially on the highway. Now, from the garage, we have been quoted 350 pounds, 340 something, anyway, nearly 350 pounds. Now, these are the two parts that need fixing. There is a, turn this way, there is a very small leakage here. There is a very tiny spot here, and this thing is just completely gone. It's rusted through the whole part here. So they said that it's gonna last anywhere between 3 to 5 years. They have a warranty of 2 years. Now if we bet on the maximum 5 years, 350 pounds, that's 70 pounds a year, which makes it well, 6 pounds a month. And what I am planning on doing is applying some of the how do you call it, the cement, the fire cement. So this thing you put on the fireplaces, and apparently it works quite well, and this thing should last 4 to 5 months if we're lucky. So I decided to give it a go. So if it makes the things better, why not? If it lasts 3 months, if it lasts 3 months, it's gonna cost me around 25 pounds, so that's just over 8 pounds, and that is pretty much the cost that it will be for the replacement of the exhaust, basically. So yeah, I will give that a go, and I'm gonna show you how it goes, and obviously I'm gonna keep you updated if and how long that thing is gonna last for. Okay, let's get on with it.
Right, so here we are, and this is the problem. So as you can see here, if I can stick my finger inside it, and before we start gluing anything, what we need to do is clean up that rust. So what I decided to do is put the basalt fibers over here. I don't know, is it basalt, whatever. So I'm gonna put those in here. I've cut them, and then I'm gonna mix them with some of the Fernand cement, and then that I'm going to apply on the hull. Whether I'm gonna put the basalt strip or not, I will see. It depends how it looks with that. Because the hole is quite big, I may need to put the fibers on top and then put a bit more cement. We'll see. But let's first mix that. So I'm gonna put some of this glue here. I guess we can leave it aside. So that, but I think because of the fibers, we're gonna need more of the cement. And now that gooey thing with the fibers, I'm planning on putting it right there where is the big hole. Out. All right, let's glue the hell out of it. To be fair, having the fibers, I don't think it's a bad idea. So maybe I need to do mixture for here as well. It's middle of November. Yeah. Good. Good. Alright, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is applying some heat. I do believe that this should help for the glue to stick better to the exhaust. And yeah, that is gonna be the last step, and then we're gonna leave the exhaust sit for 12 hours or maybe longer, and I hope that should do the work. Okay, let's heat it up.